We divide 471 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. We put down this 7 and 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting it is 1. Again we put down this 1 and it is 11. So 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other numbers to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 471 divided by 2 is 235 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.